So you're tired of the false promises about making money online that seems to work for other people except for you. Don't worry. In today's video, this is no fluff. I'm going straight to the point. If you really want to make money online from the comfort of your home, then keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me. Let's go. So guys, in today's video, you will learn how to make extra income by mastering how to make money online for beginners. So if you're new here, comment where you are watching from. Yes. So guys, welcome back to my channel where we help you unlock new ways to actually make money and live the life that you deserve. Today, I'll be diving into 5 practical and profitable ways that you can make money online, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income. Let's get started. So guys, first thing I want to tell you is to become a graphic designer. Yes, you don't need to be a guru when it comes to graphic design. There are lots of platforms that allows you to just use already established templates, already created templates, and then you can modify them accordingly. So yes, if you have a knack for creating visually appealing designs, this is a fantastic way to earn money. From designing logos and social media graphics to creating custom illustrations, guess what? There's a massive demand for skilled designers. And one platform you can use for sure is Canva. Yes. Guys, platforms like Canva make it beginner friendly. While Adobe Suits, yes, Adobe Creative Suits, they offer advanced courses for professionals. You can sell your services on Fiverr, on Upwork, yes, or directly to businesses. Yes, so don't forget to build a portfolio. Yes, build a portfolio to showcase your best work. Another thing you can become is a virtual assistant. Guys, being a virtual assistant or VA if you're organized and detail oriented. Virtual assistants handle tasks like scheduling emails, marketing, social media posting for busy professionals or small business owners like me. There are websites like Zertual and Delay. They connect you with clients, or you can pitch your services directly to business owners. And guess what? It is flexible. You can work from the comfort of your home and help entrepreneurs or bloggers or creatives stay at the top of their game. Another thing you can become is an online tutor. Guys, I just hired an online tutor for my kids. A language tutor for my kids. Anywhere in the world, you can do this, know this, and know peace. So besties, online tutoring is perfect if you're knowledgeable in a particular subject. Maybe from teaching maths to helping someone learn a new language, the possibilities are endless. And there are platforms like VIP Kid, Tutor Me, like Chegg. Yes, they make it easy to connect with students worldwide. Just set your own hours and rates and make a meaningful impact on someone's learning journey. Another way to make money is through online surveys. I'm telling you, see, taking online surveys is a simple way to earn extra cash. Companies value your opinion and they are willing to pay for it. And there are websites like Swagbox, Survey Junkie, Toluna. They offer opportunities to complete surveys for rewards or direct payments. Yes, it's an easy way to make money in your spare time. The next one on my list is to become an SEO consultant. So guys, SEO is known as search engine optimization, and it is essential for businesses that are looking to improve their online presence. If you're skilled at optimizing websites to rank higher on Google, this is a highly lucrative skill. You can use free resources to learn more about it. Yes, so learn the basics through free resources like Google's SEO Starter Guide, or take advanced courses on platforms like Coursera. There are tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush. They can help you deliver results, and you can offer your services to businesses or freelance clients to help them grow their online traffic. Besties, whether you're a creative, you're tech savvy, or you're just looking to explore new ways, new opportunities, there is something here for everyone. I am telling you, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. There are lots of websites where you can also take high-paying surveys. Yes, high-paying surveys. I kid you not, and you can earn up to $350 in an hour. Yes, I am not kidding you. I am not joking. There are websites. There's Respondent is one of them. There's User Tests. Yes, usertest.com and so much more. Now, let me also let you guys in on something. That takes just a few minutes of your day, and once you do it, you are opening doors to financial breakthrough, from financial independence or financial freedom for yourself. Do you know you can start a blog? Yes, you can start a blog. I started my blog last month, exactly a day after my birthday, just a day after my birthday, and I publish an article every single day. Ever since I launched my blog, I publish an article every single day. So yes, if I can do it, you can do it. Go ahead and start your own blog today. And once you have 50,000 viewers or 50,000 readers and you can monetize your blog, I'll give you the name of the platform that I use. It's free of charge. And the only thing you pay for is your domain name. You know, you can go to GoDaddy and then get your domain name. Or yes, once you do that, then go to Hashnode, Hashnode. Hashnode.com. It is free of charge. It's simple and straightforward. I am telling you. So you can look for trending topics, or you decide to go into a topic, you know, a subject matter that you are very, very familiar with, and you can also be of help to people. Once you hit 50,000 reads on your blog, you can begin to monetize it. Then submit your blog to Mediavine. Yes, they will look through it, and then you start to make money every single month. Start to cash out on your blog. And just so you know, you can also monetize your blog once you reach 50,000 views. I don't think you even need to reach 50,000 views to monetize on Google AdSense. Yes, Google AdSense. You can actually monetize your blog using Google AdSense. You're welcome. See, on this channel, it's all about making money. It's all about being financially free. It's all about financial independence. It's all about being able to afford anything that you want. You walk into any store, whether it's Gucci store, any store, and you're able to buy without being scared, without being afraid. Yes. Or you need money for yourself, and you need the money, you're able to afford it. Like, I've been broke before, guys. That's why I'm passionate when it comes to, you know, making money from the comfort of your home, or being financially independent, or being financially free as a woman, whether as a woman or even as a man, you know. And that's why I implore you, just follow this journey. Follow me on this channel, because me, I feel I don't know how to hoard information. Just make sure that you follow this channel, like this video, and do well to share this video with your friends and your village members. And of course, guys, subscribe to my blog. Like I said, I'm not joking. Subscribe to my blog. The link is in the description, and that is all about it. But if you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. Yes, and that's about it, besties. So till I see you guys in my next video. Me, I'm not sleeping, no. Jima soon. I'm here to make money. Let me go and start making money. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you.